Hi guys! Today I'm making Zenitsu from the anime Demon Slayer. I actually started this squishy 6 months ago but never finished it due to lack of motivation, but I think it's about time to finally finish making this squishy. I'm starting off by shaping off Zenitsu's head, and for his hair it kind of reminded me of a mop, so I'm creating all these jagged shapes. To distinguish his head from his hair, I'm creating this U shape to form the hairline. Now that Zenitsu's head is done, let's move on to his body. I'm going to make his legs first and then start smoothing out the edges to create his body. This is a chibi version, so I'm not going to make this all too detailed. If you look closely, you can see that I also shaped his feet. And for the final details, I'm creating the clothing. Last but not least is to make his arms. Now that I'm done shaping all these pieces, let's glue them together with fabric fusion. After a whole 6 months, I'm back and I'm finally going to finish painting this. To be honest, I specifically chose Zenitsu out of all the characters because he was the easiest to make. He was also the simplest to paint because he doesn't have too many colors, but I was still too lazy to paint him. I continued to add layers of paint until all the holes on the sponge were filled. This way the squishy will have a nice smooth finish. And while the yellow paint was still wet, I also added this orange gradient. When it came to painting the face, I had a hard time deciding which facial expression to choose. Zenitsu is known to be a coward most of the time, however when he's asleep he becomes super serious and strong. After thinking long and hard, I decided to go with his anxious face. I've only watched season 1 of Demon Slayer, and in that season he's scared most of the time, so I thought this face would be more fitting. Here is the final Zenitsu squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!